my fish. I'm seasoning some bluefish to cook for dinner. But here it is. I done already started. Of course, we starting with the fish sauce. I love me some fish sauce. And I already, well, I just turned my pan on to preheat it. And I'm starting with some Mrs. Dash. Season that with. Already seasoned that one. But you know, Mrs. Dash is just herbs, y'all. There's no salt or no MSG or anything in it. It's onion, garlic, all kinds of herbs. And then we're gonna go in with the onion powder. Oh, that's the big side. I don't want to put that much season on here. Okay, I like to season the inside of the fish, and then the outside. We'll use a little bit of garlic. Okay, we need to put some oil in that pan because I can smell a pan. It's heating up. And a little bit of pink Himalayan salt. Not that much. And then we're going to close it on up, y'all. Close the fish up. Close that up. Outside of the fish, y'all. Who cooks they fish with the heads on them? I know I do. I love the cheap meat. Like in the head, it's got good meat in it. So let's get that. Oh, I forgot to put some of this on here, y'all. Some of my Goya seasoning. It's the Bomb Diggity Goya. And some more onion and okay. Turn it over. I already put fish sauce on the other side. Kind of like in the plate. I'm making a whole mess over here. Some more onion. Clean up on outside. And a little bit of pink Himalayan, and we good. All right, let's go over here to the stove steaming time. That's what we wanted, so we can put this fish on there, and it can start cooking like right now. But here's the Goya pack, y'all. It's like little individually wrapped seasoning. That's the red Goya seasoning. I love it on fish. All right, y'all. Let's put the fish on. Here we go. Ooh, baby. There we go. Cook that a little bit, y'all. It's cooking, y'all. Alright, y'all. Let's come back over here where we can get the rice cooking. And that ain't gonna take long to melt the butter. But in the meantime, we're gonna open up the boxes so we can take the seasoning packs out. But that fish is cooking. Make sure it's well done on both sides. And then I usually spread it open in the middle when I add my lemon. Alright, y'all, I think we're ready to flip it over. On that side, here we go. Alright, y'all, so we can squeeze some lemon on the ooh, it's juicy too, y'all. On the fish. Let's take these seeds out. It don't take the butter that long to melt. Let's go ahead and put both boxes in the pan. So they can saute. You see it is nice and brown on this side. Yes, it is. And it's cooking on the other side. And then once it finishes cooking on that side, then I'm gonna open it up. I like mine well done. All right, let's clean up. I like to clean. Yes, baby, yes. It looks really good. Then we're going to split it wide open. And let it cook on the inside. Y'all, we back at it, making the plates. I done already started. Now this is the cheddar rice. How much rice do you want and how much fish do you want, Jalea? You want a small piece of fish or a big piece? Come on, come on. Hello? A big piece. Watch the, That blue fish is everything, y'all. Let me just tell you, I love me some blue fish. This is for Jalea. And here you go. Watch out for the bones. Jalea, here's your plate. But here's the food, y'all. They get ready to tear, well, we get ready to tear this food up. Let me just say. The rice and fish. Oh, I just got fish on my face. Now I'm gonna make my plate. Okay. And let's go over here, people. I want this. I'm going to tear this whole piece up. Where's the bone at?